Hello everyone, this is Deepak and I am going to tell you how we can upload the entire data of running a car uh, innovation onto the XAMPP server. So, uh, how we can do that? So, I just double click on that. This is my entire project here, and when I okay, so again I just go to the my project here and zoom here. This is my entire project. This is my entire project here, and when I zoom here, you can see my entire project here. Basically, this is the image, and other things are there, and this is my our HTML page. Basically, this one is my HTML page, and uh, next is this is my CSS page here. Basically, so you can see here, this is our CSS page here. So I can run the project on the our website, so you can see that. So again I just zoom out here and I click here and open it in the respective browser. You can choose of your own favorite browser, no problem. I select Google Chrome. So this is the output of our entire project basically, and I just upload the entire website on the XAMPP server. So how we can do that? So I just see here. So basically, XAMPP server belongs to PHP. Basically, the person who are using the working on PHP, they are showing the our using the XAMPP server basically. And next one is I just tell you that XAMPP is a maybe offline server, and when I just double click on that, so this is this dialog box is open here. I just zoom here again so that you can see here. Simply select it and press the save button. So I just click on the save button. It is showing an error, but ignore it. So after that, your entire content will be showing here. So click on the this is the entire content, and you just go and you simply okay, one second. Okay, this is the entire content basically, and you just click on the open the my Apache, and then you just click on the MySQL. Here MySQL database is not required, but you just start it. You just simply copy paste the entire content, and MySQL is not required for this project, but still you just on it, and Apache is most required, so you must start the server. So first we just start the XAMPP server. Next I just continue the other project. So this is, so I simply start it, and again it is showing another message, so simply ignore it, no problem. And second we just again start the my MySQL, and right now it is showing like this. Again I just zoom here, and this is the entire content. Basically this is the entire content here, and this is showing that our start Apache is running, and MySQL is running here basically. So this is the first message that Apache is running, and this is the second message that MySQL is running here. So after on the server, we just copy paste the entire content. So how I want to know that how the server is working or not. So for that, you just go here and open a browser basically. So again, I just go here and open a browser. So here I just again uh, click on here, and just simply search a localhost, and here you can see that when I click on the localhost, the XAMPP server is on, so it is showing here. Again, just see what is I can write here. So again, I just write localhost, and then I just press enter. Here is here the XAMPP server localhost file will be showing here, and here so showing that the XAMPP server is working properly, and the entire content will be, we can proceed further. So after that, after confirming that the our local, that is our XAMPP server is on, so I just go here. This is my running car folder, and I simply go here, copy it, I copy the entire content. You can use Control A for copy the entire content, Control A for to select the entire content, and Control C for copy the entire content. I just simply copy it, and then I just go to my the root directory of XAMPP folder. So again we just go to my computer, and then we just simply click on the this PC, and after that we just go to the C drive. Here just click on C drive, then we just go to the XAMPP. So I just again zoom here, so you can see that XAMPP folder. We just make sure that we install the XAMPP server previously, uh, and then we just simply click on the XAMPP server. Then we just go to the htdoc here. This is this one. Again I just zoom here so that you can see it again clearly. This is the htdoc here, and after that I just click on the htdoc. Then we just go to our root directory. Make sure that if you install the XAMPP server, you must create a root directory in order to store the entire content. So if you don't have the root directory, you just create a root directory, and inside it you just do the other function, no problem. So again I just show you what is the root directory. This is the root directory basically, and entire content is showing here. This is the another folders are also present. So the entire project which we make will be installed here. That means the entire project will be deployed inside the folder. So make sure that you just create a root directory, root folder. If you don't have, if you already have the root folder, simply click on that, and here you can see that some content are already present because I make some content here. So simply I just, in order to run a project, I just create, that is I just create a new folder, that is my create a new folder, and folder name is uh, car. I just uh, I just give the name. I give, so for example purpose, we just give the simple name so that it is easy to further works. Further work. So this is my folder here, and I just give the name as car. I just simply press OK. This folder is created already, and I just simply zoom here, so you can see that this is my folder here, and again I just double click on that, and I just simply copy paste it, and you can see that this is entire content, and you see that this is my entire content basically. Again, okay, this is my entire content. You can see that. After that, after this, we simply go to the my, I just minimize it. If you want to see where I can copy paste the entire content, you can see that this is my root directory basically. This PC Windows 8 XAMPP htdoc root folder, and then I just create a folder, that is car. If you simply don't know how you can paste it, you simply click on that, you can see the entire content. So again I just zoom here, so you can see that my folder location is C XAMPP htdoc root folder and car. How we can see in our how we can see there in the server. So make sure that when you complete make any changes, you simply stop the server and again start the server, so that it can again complete the entire content. So I first stop the server, then again I just start the server. So no problem, ignore the message dialog here, dialog message, ignore the alert message. So again I just start the XAMPP server here, and then after that I just minimize it and go to the my folder, and again I just click here, that is I just search localhost, uh, local host and press enter. That means my entire content will be writing okay, no problem. So in order to see the my project output, I just again go to search local host slash uh, root folder, and then I just search car. Again I just zoom here so you can see the clear vision. uh, Again I just see the clear vision, that is localhost root car. Entire content will be showing like in this way. And after that you can see the after you just simply click here. After pressing enter you can see that my entire content will be showing here, and my entire project will be on the XAMPP server. So in this way we just upload the entire content in the PHP, or you may say XAMPP server. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.